Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons we have available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. You can also check out our Shots of Life kit because it's a great way to add on more pattern paper and embellishments as it coordinates with our flavors of the month as well. So I'll have links to all of those video reveals for the kits at the end of this one along with some others, so be sure to check those out. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's 3 add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And with the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you want to do double page layouts and you want them to be cardstock backgrounds. This gives you plenty of options. So for the Echo Park Telling Our Story collection, you're going to get 1 sheet of beeswax and 2 sheets of cranberry. For the Pebbles Sunny Blooms, you're going to get a sheet of Lagoon and 2 sheets of Petal Soft. For the Photoplay paper, Crop Till You Drop, you're going to get 1 sheet of Robin's Egg Blue and 2 sheets of Lollipop. And then for the Pink Fresh Making the Best of It, you're going to get 1 sheet of Turquoise Mist and 2 sheets of Stream. So you can see all of the beautiful colors, and you can see how some of these will play very well together. I think these could go together. I think you could put these. It's gorgeous. Now let's look at the pattern paper. So for the pattern paper add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these, the cardstocks or the pattern papers or even the embellishments, none of these are repeats. So this is all additional product. So for Echo Park Telling Our Story, we have this beautiful floral on a grid design. The back is a 2-toned green, a scalloped stripe. That's happy little flowers. The other one for that collection are these beautiful small flowers. And the back is a light blue with the little dot design. That paper is called Our Garden. For Pebbles Sunny Blooms, we have this paper called Clouds, which is clouds on the kind of the aqua color. The back is that gorgeous butter yellow polka dot and a full branding strip of the stripes. This paper is called Plaid. It's a plaid. The back is a polka dot with the full branding strip of the plaid. Photoplay paper, Crop Till You Drop. We have 2 really fun, just full of icons, scrappy icons. So this would be great to cut apart and make embellishments with. The back is hearts in all of the different colors. Here's another one. This one's called, well, that's called My Stash. This one's Craft Tools. So it has your silhouette, your guillotine cutters, your pins, your kettlebugs, your glue. We have a heat embossing tool. So super cute. And then we have a pink wavy stripe. For Making the Best of It, Pink Fresh. From Pink Fresh, we have this paper called Great Things Take Time. It has the oval with all of these different sayings. I love Pink Fresh for all of their just uplifting quotes and things. Fill the world with kindness. Every day is a new day to begin. So everything's just positive. The back is a 2-toned pink stripe. We have this one called Be the Sunshine, which is a beautiful ombre mixed media, kind of like a painted background. I love that. And the back is a plaid in those colors. So again, beautiful, gorgeous papers. So one more look at those patterned papers. Our final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. And this is always a favorite of mine because I love paper and I love embellishments. So for the Telling Our Story from Echo Park, you're going to get a half a pack of the brads. So these are the ones that are self-adhesive. You don't have to poke holes, and some of the chipboard pieces. So I love this. I love the eyeglasses and the little pearl brads. For the Pebbles Sunny Blooms, you're going to get half a pack of the foam thicker. So you'll get this sheet or the other one. Love all the beautiful titles. Again, that ombre pattern that we saw in the patterned paper. Look at that, and the title, just gorgeous. Photoplay paper, Crop Till You Drop. You're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So this is half a pack, so you'll get this half or the other one. Super cute. Love this. Pajama night. How many of you guys have went to a crop and had pajamas? For Pink Fresh, making the best of it, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So again, it'll be either this one or the other sheet. I have some phrases here, a little scalloped border, that gorgeous oval that we saw with the quotes in it. Just beautiful embellishments. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month, check out the shots of life and all the other kits available in the store along with individual items. And you can have all those individual items shipped right along with your kit at no extra cost, so be sure to grab those. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.